love camping. You can only see the Milky Way when you're camping. Sorry about being... A crab!
I hope it bites your vagina.
It's not very roomy.
I don't want to camp.
I do. Come on.
Stop smushing me against the
Stop
wall.
smushing me against the other wall.
No, you're smushing me against the wall. Stop saying stop smushing me to me. I really hate camping right now.